Alright, what's good, y'all? So, yesterday I fixed the issue I was having with the defaults and the font, I guess. But, so now if I add, actually, why did I, oh, I know why I turned that on. So now if I go ahead and do this, and then turn both of these on, actually if I had defaults, this will be white, this will be 5, and then this will be 256, right? So now if I go like this, and then set this to be that, that will give me exactly what I expect. So now I actually have to, I think I'm gonna do the spacing next. Actually I am recording the right screen, right? Cool. All right, so, oh wait, I'm already here, awesome. So now let's go over here and then let's open up the studio, see what I was thinking last. Pop-ups. This needs to be next because this includes the spacing as well. And then after that, this will be easy too. And then this debug. And then I think we're good. So now, this is good. Oops, I forgot that was a key button. This can also go away. And then this too. This too. Do not have anything to do because of it. Yep. All right, cool. So now for the spacing, that will be part of updates, I believe. And then we need to figure out, like, so we're assuming we have a monospace font. Let's see if there is a way to force monospace fonts. All right. So say we come over here, we update everything. We don't need to do anything until here, in which if that's the case, then everything will be off, which doesn't matter. And then here, oh no, it's tick that we do it. So in tick, if it's null, then we set it to nothing. Yep. If insertion is enabled, then for this one we would just print it out. Yeah. But for this, wait. Oh, that's for if an insertion is not enabled. But if we come down here, this is where we want to do the spaces. So the logic at the current moment wants to be, we always want to have the same distance. So the max number of characters is space, right? No, wait, that's not the max because we have minus and plus, right? let's just say we want to keep it in the same position. So like if we get rid of this, then it'll be that. So let's say okay, let's do a spaces calculation, right? So we can have so the max amount of spaces is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you add the null character. So spaces equals. Actually, we don't need to do that. So we don't have to manage memory. We can say spaces. How many did I say it was? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. So we have 7 equals that, whatever. Oh my gosh, why do I keep doing that? So then after that, we need to get the int insertion size equals the string length of L to A of info data added, right? So then, given that we have the insertion size, we could say I think we have to use a for loop here. For int I equals 0, I is less than insertion size I plus plus, and then every time we'll just say spaces I equals yes, so I would be a space, and then spaces I plus 1 equals the null weights. Make sure that we're null terminating it correctly. Great, so now that we have spaces, we would just put spaces in front of this. So it would be %s, and then this would be spaces. Let's say, I think that's all we need. But then for width, oh yeah, that's another thing I need to do. Ensure that width and height are consistent and make sense. Right, so for width, it would not be this, it would just be linked to the deletion source. And then height would just be one of them, it doesn't really matter which one. Let's make another one. Project, oops, forget type. Uh-oh. Oh, whoops, I put that outside, didn't I? 298 plus 1. Awesome. So let's try that out. So if I come over here, I do get stats. I should really just leave that here. Projects. Well, assuming it doesn't crash, I guess. This. Okay, that's definitely not right. But it seems like the width is just wrong. What is the width? Because the height seems to be right. But why is the width wrong? You know, let's just add both of them together. Oh, another thing I need to do is change insertion source. Very simple, but all right. So width of info insertion source. Oops. Oh. Oh, it's not insertion source. Oh my gosh. Screw myself up already. This is text source. Okay. Studio. So you have plus 300. No, we're just missing characters. Oh, I think I know what it is. So when we update, no, it was tick, sorry. Output buffer is not the right size, right? No, it definitely is. It most definitely is. Why is this wrong then? Let me try printing out the output buffer. I don't even think I need to touch this. Oh, I didn't run in a terminal, duh. Let me change this to something a little bit smaller. Okay, so that's what's wrong. Is L to A wrong? I don't know how I messed that up, but the string length of L to A. Oh, I see. I didn't change this. This should be string length of spaces plus that. All right, we're cool. It's gonna work now. Bam. But this is still not in the right position. We did all these spaces, but still not right. It did move over a little bit, but definitely not enough. Okay, what if I if I do this? Just as a test, ×2. Okay, so there's something wrong with this space. I don't know why spacing is not the right size. Okay, so let me try to replicate this. Can I do things out here? I can. So let's say we have a text source and, oh, it closes the other one. So it's sans serif 256, whatever. So we have plus 302, and then under it we have minus 231. But we do spaces and it should move over, but it is not the same amount of spaces. I don't know why. And this doesn't even start at the same thing. Is it because it's not monospace? Fair code. Oops, that's not one. Okay, I didn't use the right font. That is on me. So if I change this to favorite code, there we go. Okay, so now I can get rid of this, and it should work. No, it did not. Okay, so I'm missing an extra space. Why? Why am I missing an extra one? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I think I forgot to. Yeah, there it is. Because added is just a number, but I also need the character. If the character is enabled. So I'll also have to do the character soon anyway, but I can fix that later. Yeah, there we go. But it needs extra space. Make this rely on if the plus is enabled. Plus slash minus, because that's going to change it too. Enabled. No, it shouldn't matter actually, because I said I wanted the same. Yes, we need extra space. Oh, we did do an extra space, but it didn't work. Oh, did I forget the build? There it is. So this is exactly what I wanted. And it's going to stay like that regardless of... I guess I should move it over if you don't want the plus or minus. Okay, yeah. Make this rely on if the plus or minus are enabled or not. Okay, so that's good. And it relies on the first one. And then this, oh, the width is wrong. Might be wrong then. Yeah, because I'm adding these two. But this is how I really want it. Okay, we're good, we're good. Awesome. And then the height should be fixed. Yeah, okay. So we are good on those fronts. And now, let's see what it looks like if I have it like a 0, 0 or something smaller. So let's go to default. Turn these on. It shouldn't be like that, but it is what it is. It still has the directory in there, doesn't it? There we go. Okay, that looks good. We might have to figure out a way to anchor it, but it seems like it's anchored on the space. So wherever this middle part is, where it's gonna be. Okay. So we can get rid of this. And then let's update this. So max insertions out at 999. Okay. So if you max it out each time it gets off, okay. So tick. Oh, that's another thing I wanted to test. When we set it to 0, it flickers, right? I guess not. Oh, yes, it does. But if we do it to 1, it doesn't, right? We might just have to set the minimum to 1 and not 0. Yeah, it seems like it's fine. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. Nope, it is still wrong. Okay, so what we will actually have to debug that. Okay, this is just something I wanted to see. Okay, so max it out at 999. So that should be easy, because that just means that we'll have to do some parsing beforehand. So for this, we'll say long value equals info data added if, or no. But I don't want it to round up. That's the thing. Integer division in C with no rounding. Rounds the result to an integer, the result is always rounded. That wasn't very helpful. I don't want to round. Wait, are those? No, never mind. Minus. A divided by B plus. It's not equal 0. Oh. Wait a minute. So say we have um so if we have 3 divided by 2, then 3, where's my percent sign? Percent 2 will not equal 0. Wait, this, first of all, this is going to round up. And then 3, and then this is Zor. Where is, bro, I can't find it. I never use this operator. Is it here? No, it's not. Bro, what? Where is the stupid symbol? Oh, it's right here. Alright, so 3 Zor 2. So that's 0, 1, 1. Zor 0, 1, 0. So that's going to be 0, 0, 1. And that is not less than 0. Wait, no, I'm so confused. Okay, wait. Does not equal 0. So this does not equal 0. So how's that going to be less than 0? I might as well just try it, but I'm not quite understanding how this works. Oh, my trusty old file. Oh, this was swapping the values. Speaking of Zor, I'll just use the keybind. So we're gonna printf a equals, int a equals 3, int b equals 2, printf original is a divided by b, and then floor is a divided by b plus a modulo b does not equal 0, and oh, I don't know what this one is here. A Zor b is less than 0. It's less, bro. It's less than 0. Expected. What am I missing? Oh yeah. Right. So sheet test. I thought that would have rounded up. Maybe it's not 0.5, it has to be greater than 0.5. So let's do 5/6. Am I bugging? Does this not usually round up? Maybe I don't know. I think the language that I use. That is crazy. I don't even remember what I was using this for. Oh, right. So say we have like 15, so that would be 1, or I want it to be 1, but it's not. Wait, why did that? Why isn't that 1? Oh, I'm missing a 9. Okay. I literally might just have to divide it. Like, it's that simple. Let's do something random. And this is going to be 2. But it's not. Why isn't it 2? Do I not know how to do math? Bro, I'm stupid. Okay, I literally just had to divide it. That's kind of crazy. Okay, so int, this will be int num overload equals value divided by or maybe we can change the overload value. Do I have a globals? It's not interface, it's source. So let's say, or no, we don't need to put it in here. Like, static, it's gonna be long. I don't think it is. Max integer. Yeah, that's more than enough. Static int, overload, val equals, or no, yes, equals, or is it a define? Define static, or no, overload val to be that. Okay, so that means this has to change as well. Okay, let me finish the other one first. So here, that'll give us the amount of periods we need. Um, the amount of periods we need. For overloads value. So this will be value. Wait, no. Value will now be value modulo overload. Val. There we go. So now we can do value. Value. Okay. So that'll give us that. But I also want to say, so for this overload string, we'll create another for, we want, what is it, 5 overloads? No, I think we said 4. 4. Or overload string, and then this is going to be, I said I wanted 4, so we need an extra one. Stats, right? And then we say for int I equals 0, while I is less than number of overloads, I plus plus, for, or no, oh my gosh, overload string I equals period. For now, we might change that, but then overload string I plus 1 equals the null bytes. Right? So given that we now have that, we can say that we want to put this on top of this. And then this will be the string length of overload string plus that, and then we add another character for the new line. And then let's take this, put it down here. Okay, but this is going to be overload string. Okay. And then that is the insertion overload. And then we basically need to copy this and put it down here, because this will go above spaces. Oh, actually, no. we need an extra space. So this will be 6. And then so we'll do that. And then we start at 1. And then this is now +1. Okay. So now we'll paste that. But this is deleted. Right? Number overload. This value, overload string. It's now 6. And then we do this. Oh boy, this one's gonna be a lot longer. Because then we need to do this. And then that. And then spaces, we create the spaces. Yeah, so we do that. And then the output buffer is going to be a lot longer because we need to say string length of spaces and the string length of overload string plus 3, because we then need to say, so this will be %s, new line. So we need another spaces too. Right, so this will be spaces, overload string, spaces, say deleted. And then we're good. So intake, undeclared, output buffer. What do I do to output buffer? So this is line 296, so this one. Guess we can say this again. Where? 303? I have to declare every time. This is new. All right. So that'll give me that. So what if we say, no, we can keep it like this because, well, I wish I could show it. What can we do? Can we copy something that's really long? What has a lot? Oh, wait, actually, yes, it's a test. Okay, so now that should be a lot. Or not. Oh, because it's not a Git repository. Oh, I hate when stuff works. um, no, it is catching it, but I haven't tested any, or I haven't changed anything there. So if I copy, what have I changed a lot in? Short stat. That is not a lot. Infamous, cloud to local. I guess this would be the most. No. Uh, is it scene spotter? Definitely not. I do need to do that though. Cloud to local. This sucks. Below? Nope. Get line stats? It's probably that one. There we go. Wait, let me put the recursive tag. There we go. Now let's just do it again. Copy. Wait, no, I'm never gonna get there like that. Yeah, I'll create a test later. Yeah, but I kind of need to do it now. Remove. There's test. Okay. So for overloads, what if we just set the value, or what if you just set num overload to 3? Dang. Oh, there it is. Oh, I'm in the wrong one. Get stats. Okay, that's good. And then if we have 4, oh, staring at it like it's supposed to change. That's good. But that should be one more character over. No, because it still start here. I'll keep it how it is for now, but that's good that that's working. And then let's do oh, not value. Num overload is supposed to be 4. There we go. Okay, cool. So that's to be expected. So we max these out each time. Yep. Oh, that was faster than I thought. Okay. So that's pretty much done. I still need to test it, but let's see if we can. Actually, firstly, see if we can set the default color to green and blue. Because I did kind of a cheap way of changing that, so I don't think this will work. Oh wait. Let's see. Oh, okay. Awesome. Okay, so we do that. Red, green. Wait, what? Wait, hold up. Wait a minute. Dog, how's that even possible? Color one. How is that? Is it backwards? No, wait, right? So if I change this to FF, that's all. That's red. Dog, that is crazy. Anyway, so I want this to be green, so regardless is in the middle. And then I want this one to be red, so, oops. Let's go to defaults. Yep, green and, oh wait, no, sorry, these should both be red. Yeah, those should both be red. And then I'll have to figure out how to do it for the other one. Yep, there we go. So those are both red. And then I need this, oops, to be, okay, so for this, no, I don't want shared properties, I want just the text one properties. And this should have the colors in it. So if I want to, let me open up the source in here. So I need settings. Do I have settings in here? No, I do not. So I need settings. Oh, yes I can, yes I can. So I can do OBS properties set, I don't remember what it is. OBS data set default integer of text1 properties, and I want color 1 to be a default of this. Wait, so it's a BGR, a BGR, a. So I want these to be green, B, G, R. And then you do the same thing for color 2. Yo, I'm a genius. Never mind. Oh, this needs to be what is it? Context. Wait, no. Actually, I could just use this one. Context. So it's info. No. Text source context dot settings, and then that'll give me the settings of that, and then that should work. Bam. It's gonna work first tee. Yes, sir. Certified defaults. And then let me put something in here. Projects. And then we turn both of these on. Green and red, awesome. This default should be something that's monospace. Okay. And then, oops. And then let me make sure that I can change these and I didn't mess something up. Blue. Blue. Okay. There we go. Awesome. Okay. Oh. Kind of on a roll. All right. I think that's where I'm going to end it for today, though. But we are first going to commit this, and it's a lot of stuff. So let me do that. This get status first of all. Make sure I didn't create something. Okay. Get diff. So let's add all. So it's mainly a feature thing. So we changed, actually, we firstly implemented overflow and spacing into text sources. We changed default colors to match insertions and deletions. Then what else do we do? Yep, that's it. All right, awesome. Good work day.